In today's lesson, with the measures of center, we are looking at the median. The median is the middle of a data set. So median is one way to represent the center of multiple data points using only one number. The first step, again, is to list the numbers in order from smallest to largest. Then we are going to cross off one number from each side of the number set until we get to the middle. If there's an odd number of numbers in the data set, you're going to have one number specifically in the middle. But in this case, we have an even number of numbers. This means we're going to have two numbers in the middle. In order to find the middle of those two numbers, add those numbers together and then divide by 2. The median of this data set is 32. Remember, think about the median on the highway. That's that grassy or concrete part that's between two directions of traffic. It splits the roads in half. The median is the middle of your numbers. The same idea. It splits the numbers in half. Remember, if there are two middle numbers, you take the average of the two, or add them together and divide by 2. First, list the numbers in order from smallest to largest. Then, cross off one number from each side of the data set until you get to the middle number. In this case, we have 3 numbers crossed off on each side. Our middle is 8. Again, list the numbers in order from smallest to largest. Cross off numbers from both sides. Since there are 4 numbers in the data set, we're going to end up with 2 numbers in the middle. Add the 2 numbers together, divide by 2. Our median is 7.5. List the numbers in order from smallest to largest. Cross off numbers from both sides. We have 2 numbers in the middle, so we will add the numbers together and divide by 2 for a median of 5. Remember, to find the median, list the numbers in order from smallest to largest or least to greatest. Cross off numbers from both sides of the data set, and then find the middle. If there are 2 numbers in the middle, add them together and divide by 2. Here's 2 more examples. List the numbers in order from smallest to largest. Cross the numbers off. One moment. Continue crossing off the numbers from least to greatest, 1 from each side. Until you find the middle. In this case, we've crossed 3 numbers off on each side, so we have 2 numbers in the middle. Add the 2 numbers together and divide by 2. The median is 8.5. List the numbers in order from smallest to largest. Cross off from both sides of the E until you find the middle. Again, we have 2 numbers in the middle. Add them together and divide by 2. Your median is 7. You're going to finish these problems and then take a photo of the finished problems and submit it within Schoology for your assignment.